Hey, Jeff Howard here at PKS and kiteboarding.com. So this is a complete rebuild system. This is what you'll get back once you send it into us. We keep all your same pins, your stopper ball, your bungee. If it needs to be replaced, we do so. And then we put on the new thicker Spectra and build your release system. You have 2 knots and you have a ring and the knot here, and then the flag out one is a loop. So what you'll do to install this is you're first going to undo both knots and remove the ring. Now take your bar, whatever bar you're putting it on, slide both lines through the bar and even them out. On this you'll see a mark. There's a black mark. That's where the ring is going to go with an overhand knot. So put your ring there. Put your line back through and find that mark and then put your ring on it. This standard setting is 22 inches from your stopper ball. Once you get to that point, tie one more knot at the end of that line. This is your adjustment knot for your whole center system. Then you want to take your flag out, put it through the ring. So if this is your end of your fly line, you're going to have a loop. So the first one after you put it through the ring is called a loop-on-loop connection. You'll slide the whole fly line up and through the system, and it goes loop on loop. As simple as that. Your other fly line in the center, you will lark's head it and put it behind the knot that you placed. So to center out even out your system, this knot will need to be adjusted. Hook up your front lines, pull back on your system. If one sags more than the other, adjust this to bring this in or out to even up your system. It's as simple as that, and that's replacing the cloud system, the rebuild cloud system on any bar, and how to put it in there.